Alright guys, so we are back with another trade recap video, and I'm going to be going over the trade I took today. So let's get right into that. It was based off my main model that I used to use back when I first started getting really consistent with this, my 3-step model. So let's get right into that. Coming to market open, we pretty much just chopped all morning with all these wicks stacking on top of each other. Like this. This didn't really give any good entry. And then come around like 11-ish, or 10:30-ish. We finally filled out this imbalance right here and made a 15-minute SMT right here between ES and NQ. So with this 15-minute SMT getting formed, that kind of gave me confirmation that this reversal is about to start. So after this SMT formed, I was pretty much looking for a reversal confirmation like a breaker structure, IFEG, etc. So after we had that SMT form, we have a little order block form right here. We have our breaker structure right here, which that's where I actually entered off of is when it retested that level where it broke structure. And I set my stops just to the candles low that broke the structure. And then for TP, I just targeted the internal high. I could have held for longer and targeted this second high up here, but with how price is moving today, I was kind of just playing it safe. I sized down and just played it conservatively. So that was kind of the setup. We had a high time frame liquidity sweep slash SMT form, and then we had a breaker structure form alongside an order block and a 3-minute IFEG right here. And this is kind of what it looked like when it played out uh, live time. Let's see if I can cut this back. I don't know why it's making me go all the way over here. But let's just play this out. Pretty much chop all morning right here. And then following this, we have this fair value gap right here that gets disrespected. And then sweeps out this high. Pushes us lower past 10 a.m. open right here. Speed this up. And ultimately, we come out, make out these internal lows. And then we form that 15-minute SMT down here. Following that, we have our 1-minute break right here with our retest, and then 3-minute IFEG forms right here on this candle closure. And we just kind of targeted this internal high right here. And that was the trade for today. Just a simple 3-step entry. Just to go over that, what that was. We had high time frame sweep, high time frame SMT, 1-minute break structure, 1-minute order block, 3-minute IFPG. And more or less, I kind of entered just off of these first four confluences because when that 3-minute IFPG formed, pretty much hit TP at that same moment. So you don't have to consider this one, but if you're gonna hold it longer, that would have gave you good confirmation for this higher internal high right here. But that's going to wrap up this video. We made a little bit over $1,000 today with this, even sizing down, so it's still good. And that's why it's important to scale your funded accounts so that your P&Ls multiply. Like I said last video, the Discord is free if you do want to learn. I do have a playlist on YouTube as well, going over the confluences and how I use them and how I find my entries with this exact model, 3-step model. I don't have any videos based off my WIC model, OTE model, or EQ model, but I might make those in the future. So if you liked it, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one.